We are having a market outlook open house, and this open house is available to anybody, our Go members and the general public. You'll find that the market outlook is applicable to any type of trading, whether that be short-term, long-term, directional, or non-directional. We do focus on some concepts that are non-directional, which you will not see anywhere else in the industry. Most market outlook type of webinars are geared toward directional traders. This one has a lot of great information on how to utilize our market analysis techniques to improve your income trading results and your consistency over time. Our market outlook is not just me going in and giving my thoughts about what's going to happen in the near future. It's about teaching you a series of lessons that helps you gain the understanding of the patterns in the marketplace, which, by the way, the patterns in the marketplace represent the attitudes of the traders and where they're placing their money and where they're placing their bets. And by understanding these patterns, being able to recognize them and understand them, you can gain a good understanding of what's going on in the market movement, what the future movement is most likely to be like, what new information might come into the marketplace that could change the way the traders are looking at things, and from there allow you to make your own decisions and judgments on where the market's likely to go. Why is this so important? It's so important because when we do that, we can drastically increase our probability of having a winning trade and setting up trading strategies that give us very high reward for a relatively small amount of risk that are extremely high probability, meaning that we can gain bigger profits more consistently over time. And that's really what it's all about. We're supposed to be traders here, and traders understand what's going on in the marketplace, and then we're teaching you to do that. And again, coupled with our Go membership and our Pro membership, we teach you to apply these trading strategies in a way where you become much more successful as a trader and adaptable as things change. Hopefully, you can join us for that.